Ever felt like your business is a ghost town online? You're out there nailing the jobs, but when potential customers search for you, crickets. Just a blank Google page. Maybe a forgotten Facebook profile. The question isn't just, does Jobber give you a website? It's, does Jobber give you the online presence your business desperately needs? Because let's be real, a website is just one piece of the puzzle. It's like having a storefront in a back alley, sure. It exists, but is anyone going to find it? Think about it. You're a service professional. You're a landscaper, a cleaner, a plumber, a contractor. You're out there, hands-on building, fixing, cleaning. You're not a web developer. You're not a digital marketing guru. You're busy. You're really busy. And that's where the frustration sets in. You know you need a website. You know you need to be visible. But where do you even start? You've probably looked at those DIY website builders. Drag and drop, easy as pie, right? Until you realize you need to figure out SEO, mobile optimization, content creation, and, oh yeah, make it look professional. And then the cost. The monthly fees for the platform, the plugins, the domain name. It adds up. And suddenly, that easy website is a money pit and a time suck. Then you hear about Jobber. It's supposed to streamline your business, manage your scheduling, your invoicing, your clients. But does it solve that online visibility problem? Does it give you that crucial website? Let's break it down. Yes, Jobber does provide a basic online presence. They offer a client hub. This hub essentially acts as a mini website, a profile page where your clients can log in, view their quotes, approve jobs, pay invoices, and even leave reviews. It's a central location for client communication and management. But here's the crucial question. Is it a full-fledged website? The kind that ranks on Google, attracts new leads, and showcases your services in all their glory? Not exactly. The Client Hub is designed for existing clients, for managing your workflow. It's not primarily intended as a lead generation tool. Think of it like this. The Client Hub is like a secure, private room where you manage your existing customers. It's efficient, it's organized, it's great for client communication. But it's not the storefront window that draws people in off the street. So what does that mean for you? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're primarily focused on managing your existing client base and streamlining your operations, Jobber's Client Hub is a fantastic tool. It simplifies communication, it streamlines payments, and it enhances the client experience. However, if you're looking to grow your business, attract new leads, and establish a strong online presence, you'll likely need something more. You'll need a dedicated website that showcases your services, highlights your expertise, and ranks well in search results. Now, let's talk about the features of the Jobber Client Hub. It's mobile-friendly, which is crucial in today's mobile-first world. Clients can access it from their phones, tablets, or computers. They can view their job details, approve quotes, and pay invoices on the go. This convenience is a major plus. It also integrates seamlessly with Jobber's other features. When you update a quote or schedule a job in Jobber, the changes are automatically reflected in the Client Hub. This eliminates the need for manual updates and ensures that your clients always have access to the latest information. The review feature is another valuable aspect of the Client Hub. Clients can leave reviews directly through the hub, which can help you build trust and credibility. Positive reviews can be a powerful marketing tool, attracting new clients and boosting your reputation. But, and this is a big but, the limitations are significant. The customization options are limited. You can add your logo and some basic information, but you can't design a unique website that reflects your brand identity. You can't add custom pages, blog posts, or detailed service descriptions. The SEO capabilities are also limited. The Client Hub is not designed to rank high in search results. It's not optimized for keywords, and it doesn't have the same level of control over content and structure as a dedicated website. So what's the solution? If you're using Jobber, you can still leverage its Client Hub for managing your existing clients. But you'll also need to invest in a separate website to attract new leads and build your online presence. This doesn't mean you need to spend thousands of dollars on a custom website. There are many affordable options available. You can use a website builder like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress to create a professional-looking website without breaking the bank. You can also hire a freelance web developer or a small agency to build a website for you. This option gives you more control over the design and functionality of your website, but it may be more expensive. Regardless of which option you choose, make sure your website is mobile-friendly, optimized for SEO, and showcases your services in a clear and compelling way. Include high-quality images and videos, customer testimonials, and a clear call to action. And don't forget about local SEO. Make sure your website is optimized for local search results. Include your business name, address, and phone number on every page. Create a Google My Business profile and encourage your customers to leave reviews. By combining the power of Jobber's Client Hub with a dedicated website, you can create a comprehensive online presence that attracts new leads, streamlines your operations, and helps you grow your business. Let's be clear, Jobber is exceptional at what it does. It's a powerful tool for managing your business, streamlining your workflow, and enhancing the client experience. It's designed for operational excellence, creates efficiency, but it is not a complete website solution for attracting new customers. It's about understanding the distinction. Jobber provides a platform for managing clients, not necessarily for acquiring them. The client portal is a valuable tool within that platform, but it's not a substitute for a dedicated, optimized website. Think of it as having a fantastic workshop. It's organized, it's efficient, it's perfect for getting the job done. But without a storefront, without a sign out front, without a way for people to find you, that workshop might remain hidden. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.